No one really tells you this, but creating a website with Hostinger's AI tool and ChatGPT isn't hard. It's just usually explained in a super complicated way. I learned that the hard way after trying to build sites with old school drag and drop editors, and it was literally exhausting. I spent hours moving blocks around, adjusting tiny details, and somehow nothing ever looked the way I imagined it in my head. It felt like I was constantly fighting the tool instead of actually creating something, and that gets frustrating really fast. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 super clear steps that show you how to get a beautiful, professional website using a much smarter, beginner-friendly approach. This process removes all the confusion and replaces it with clarity, speed, and confidence. You'll be totally obsessed with how easy this is. The link to Hostinger is in the description, but there's no special discount, just the program itself. Step 1. Plan your website with ChatGPT. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, using ChatGPT to plan your website before you even touch a website builder. This step alone changes everything, because instead of guessing what pages you need or randomly adding sections, you start with a clear structure that actually makes sense. When I asked ChatGPT, help me plan a website for a local bakery with a menu, gallery, and contact info, the AI literally gave me a full sitemap and even suggested what content to put on each page. I was like, wait, this is super cute and actually makes sense. It felt like having a strategist sitting next to me walking me through the entire plan. First, you open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt like, help me plan a website for my business or idea. What pages should I include and what content should go on each page? Then you let ChatGPT suggest a sitemap, usually something like home, menu, gallery, about, and contact. Next, you ask for a short content outline for each page so you know exactly what goes where. After that, you copy that structure and those ideas into a document or notes, just so you have them ready and clear. Here's what most people don't know. ChatGPT can even suggest user journeys, like someone landing on the home page, checking the menu, and then filling out a contact form or booking a table. This is a total game changer for beginners because you start thinking like a real website designer without needing any experience. But the real magic happens when you take that plan and use Hostinger's AI tool to turn it into a real beautiful website. Step 2. Access Hostinger's AI tool, Horizons, and start your site. Now here comes my totally obsessed part, getting into Hostinger AI tool, Horizons, and seeing how fast it actually works. This is where everything you planned suddenly comes to life. You start by logging into your Hostinger account. From the main dashboard, you go to the website creation area, where you'll see Horizons Hostinger's AI-powered website builder. You click into it, hit the Try Now button, and you're taken straight into an AI chat interface that feels simple, clean, and very intuitive. When I logged in and started Horizons, the AI immediately asked me what kind of website I wanted. I pasted in my plan from ChatGPT and wrote something like, create a modern bakery website with a menu, gallery, and contact form. Use warm colors and big photos. In less than a minute, it was already building my homepage. I was genuinely shocked at how fast it was. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger's AI is trained on thousands of real websites. That means the more specific you are, the better your site looks. You don't have to be vague or careful with your words. If you want a cozy vibe, bold images, or a clean, modern layout, just say it clearly. But the real game changer is what happens when you watch the I build your site in real time and realize you can customize everything. Step 3. Watch the AI build and customize your website. Now here comes my super exciting part. Watching the AI literally build your website right in front of you. Pages appear automatically, images get added, headlines are written, and suddenly you're looking at a full website instead of a blank screen. Once the site is generated, you can click on any section to edit the text, swap images, or change colors. You can use the sidebar to reorder sections, add new pages, or remove anything you don't need. You can preview your site instantly on desktop and mobile, and if something doesn't feel right, you don't dig through menus. You just type a new instruction into the AI chat. You can say things like, make the menu section bigger, change the background color to pink, or add a testimonials section, and the AI updates the site for you. You don't need to know design terms or code. You just describe what you want in plain language, and the AI handles it. That alone removes so much stress from the process. But the real magic is how easy it is to launch your site and share it with the world. Step 4. Publish, test, and share your website. Now here comes my favorite finishing part. Publishing your website and showing it off. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you click the Publish button. Hostinger takes care of the hosting, performance, and technical setup in the background, and your site goes live in seconds. When I published my site, I had a live link almost instantly. I sent it to a few friends, and they were like, "Wait, you made this yourself?" That moment is so satisfying because the site actually looks clean, modern, and professional. After publishing, you can test your site on your phone and computer, share it on social media, add it to your email signature, or send it directly to clients. And whenever you want to change something, you just log back in and use the AI chat again. Nothing is permanent or locked in. Here's what most people don't know. Hostinger automatically optimizes your site for mobile devices and search engines, so you don't have to worry about any technical settings. Your site just works everywhere. Now let's talk about how much time and money you're saving with this approach. If you hired a professional web designer, you'd be looking at anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, plus revisions and long timelines. If you tried to learn traditional web design, you'd spend 6 to 12 months in classes and practice and still feel unsure. With Hostinger's AI tool and ChatGPT, you're spending less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, and you can have your website live in a weekend. That comparison really puts things into perspective. A lot of people ask, but what if I'm not creative? And the answer is simple. The AI does the creative heavy lifting for you. You just guide it. Others worry, what if I don't know what sections I need? That's exactly why ChatGPT and Hostinger's AI suggest proven structures based on real websites. And if you're wondering whether your site will look generic, the answer is no. You can customize every detail, and the AI adapts to your brand. And yes, this really is beginner-friendly. If you can type a sentence, you can build a site like this. The result is immediate. Your website is live in hours, not months. You get to show off something you built yourself to friends, family, and clients. You save thousands on design and development. And creatively, you finally get to express your vision without stress. So here's the real question. Are you ready to build your own website the smart way? This is your sign to stop overthinking and actually start creating. Click the link in the description to try Hostinger's AI tool and ChatGPT for yourself. No special code needed, just the program. Open it, experiment, and see how quickly everything starts to click. Join our community, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more super cute, beginner-friendly tutorials. If you've been waiting for the right moment to build your website, this is it. Your dream website is literally just a few clicks away.